Hey there and welcome to AP Help. Today we will be learning about AP Computer Science A Topic 1.4, Assignment Statements and Input. Let's start with assignment statements. An assignment statement is a statement that assigns a value to a variable. Every variable must be assigned a value before it can be used in an expression. That value must be from a compatible data type. When a variable is assigned a value for the first time, we call that initialization. Reference types can be assigned a new object or null if there is no object. The literal null is a special value used to indicate that a reference is not associated with any object. We will talk more about this in later lessons. The assignment operator allows a program to initialize or change the value stored in a variable. The value of the expression on the right is stored in the variable on the left. The assignment operator looks like an equal sign, but when reading it, we read it as assigned by. The value of an expression has a type based on the evaluation of the expression. Let's look at the screenshot. First, we are initializing a variable of type integer called number to 1. When we print it out, we see that the value of the variable is 1. Next, we can assign the value of 8 to that variable. When we print that out, we can see that the value is 8. Now let's talk about taking inputs. Input can come in a variety of forms such as tactile, audio, visual, or text. The scanner class is one way to obtain text input from the keyboard in Java. Scanner is a class in the Java util package. We will learn about this later. For now, just observe how we can take an input using scanner. This process will make more sense to you later in the course. Let's take a look at this code snippet. First, we are importing everything in the Java util library. Scanner is in this library, so this step is necessary. Then we are creating a scanner object called input. I will call it input, but you can call it whatever you want. Some other common names are SC and kboard. Next, we are printing a prompt so the user knows what to enter. We are taking the user's input and assigning it to our user number variable. Then we are closing the scanner object called input. Finally, we are printing the user's input, which is stored in the user number variable. Let's look at T's code's output. First, we see the prompt we gave our user. The cursor is on the same line. Then the user entered a number. The cursor is on the same line. The value 4 is still not in the user number variable because the user did not click enter or space. This allows the user to enter an input with more than one digit. The user clicks enter. The value of 4 is stored in the user number variable. Then, due to the final print statement, the program prints what the user number variable contains, which is 4. Now let's look at some practice problems. Pause the video and try to solve them. Here are the answers. Now let's look at some free response problems. Pause the video and try to solve it. Here are the answers.